To get started with QuickBooks Online Accountant, first sign in to your account using your login credentials. Once logged in, you will see the dashboard, which provides an overview of your clients and their respective QuickBooks Online companies. From the dashboard, you can easily access and manage all your clients' companies, invite new clients, and perform various tasks such as preparing tax returns, reviewing financial statements, and providing bookkeeping services. To access a client's company, simply click on the client's name, and you will be redirected to their QuickBooks Online company. Here, you can perform various accounting tasks such as reconciling accounts, managing invoices, and tracking expenses. One of the key features of QuickBooks Online Accountant is the ability to collaborate with clients in real time. You can invite clients to access their company file, and they can also invite you to collaborate on their accounting tasks. To invite a client, go to the Clients tab, click on the Invite Clients button, and enter the client's email address. The client will receive an email invitation to access their QuickBooks Online company. In addition to collaboration tools, QuickBooks Online Accountant also provides a range of reporting and analysis tools. You can generate financial statements, such as balance sheets and income statements, and also create custom reports to meet your client's specific needs. To generate a report, go to the Reports tab, select the type of report you want to generate, and choose the date range. You can also customize the report by adding or removing columns and filtering the data. Best practices for using QuickBooks Online Accountant include regularly reviewing client company files, providing timely and accurate financial statements, and maintaining open communication with clients. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use QuickBooks Online Accountant to manage your clients' accounting needs, streamline your workflow, and grow your accounting practice. It is also important to stay up to date with the latest features and updates in QuickBooks Online Accountant, and to take advantage of the training and support resources available to help you get the most out of the platform. Overall, QuickBooks Online Accountant is a powerful tool that can help you efficiently manage your clients' accounting needs and provide high-quality accounting services to your clients.